If you want to know how to view Reels in Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to find Facebook Reels on your computer, so you can start watching trending short videos in just a few seconds. This is perfect if you're new to Facebook, you can't find the Reels section, or you just want a simple step-by-step guide. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Facebook in your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email, phone number, or username, and your password. After you're signed in, take a look at the left side menu. Facebook usually places different shortcuts there, like your feed, groups, pages, and other features. What you want to look for is the Reels option. If you see Reels on the left menu, click it once to open the Reels section. This will take you directly to a feed of short videos you can watch and scroll through. Now that you're in the Reels area, you can simply scroll down to continue watching more Reels. Facebook will keep loading more content as you move through the feed, so you can browse endlessly and discover new videos. You can also interact with Reels by liking, commenting, or sharing them if you want. If you don't see Reels immediately, make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account and that your browser window is wide enough to show the left menu clearly. Sometimes Facebook updates its layout, so the option may appear in a slightly different place, but it should still be available in the menu or navigation area. And that's it. Once you click Reels, you're ready to watch and keep scrolling through Facebook short videos anytime you want. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.